special dish. All right, this is for broccoli rub. Guess what, lovers? Yes, that's right. That's what I need to do this special dish. It's simple. All right. If you guys pay attention, you'll be able to do it. All right. So I have here half cup of olive oil. I have 1.5 heads of garlic, yes, and I have 2 packages of chicken oil, all right, and I have 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. All right. Actually, it's not kosher salt. I'm not using kosher salt. I'm sorry. I'm using this salt, but you guys can use whatever you want, all right? And I have here Parmesan cheese. All right, I have Parmesan cheese. I have a half cup Parmesan cheese, and here's for the bread. I'm making a bread also, a garlic bread. Yes, this is for the bread. And also I have here a jalapeno. All right. Also, this is the broccoli rub. All right, I have 4 batch of them. All right, so I have here the red pepper. I have here the Italian season and the garlic powder. This is I'm using for the garlic bread. That's right. And I have Parmesan here cheese. And I have also the pasta. All right. So it's cooking. It's cooking now. The water is getting there. But for now, let's do the. This is for bunch, guys. You know why? Because this is. Let me put over here. This is they're going to reduce. That's why this is going to be just like this, right? That's why you see guys see a lot. Oh my God! No, that's all right. Okay, this is the olive oil. All right. So here you go. All right. Very good. It's ready, and this is my garlic. All right. So I'm going to saute the broccoli rub. Let me see. All right, looking good. All right, guys. Now I think it's ready. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, next step. It's gonna be the broccoli rub. All right, let's go and put it here. All right. So this I'm gonna do it slowly. All right, because it's too much. They're going to reduce. As reducing, I'm at it. All right. So. Sounds good. I like that. Alright guys, look at this. Broccoli rub. Alright. So now I'm going to switch. It's, when it's reducing, and I'm gonna add it. Keep adding, alright? So see that? Very good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay guys. So I'm adding more. Yes, looking good. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. It's looking good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Let me stir a little bit. I can saute the broccoli rub. It's looking good. Alright guys, it's looking good. Okay guys, this now is reducing. You guys can see now. See that? It's reduced. It's going to reduce even more. Alright, but it's cooking at the same time. So that I'll take a break from this. Let's cook. Alright, now I'm gonna, the water is ready for the pasta. Right now, do the pasta. That's the whole thing, okay? The whole bag. That this dish is good for 6 or 8 people. Alright? Alright. Very good. Big roll. Alright guys, now let's do a little bit. Alright. Now let's cook. All right. Okay, guys. Now my broccoli rabe is cooking. My pasta is cooking. All right. See how much reduced already? It's reduced a lot already. So now, meantime, I'm gonna make the garlic bread. All right. This is a very special garlic bread. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can use you can use butter, you can use smart balance, you can use whatever you want. Alright? So any butter you want. So I like to use smart balance. So what you do is you're gonna paste your butter, bread. All right. Okay, guys, that's almost finished. So now, all right, the butter is so ready there. Okay, close this. There. Now, next step. This is garlic powder. All right, garlic powder. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Okay, let's go. All right, garlic powder is gonna taste delicious. So what you do is you pour all over the place. All right, pour. See how I'm doing? So just pour all over the place. It's gonna taste good. All right. So here you go. All right, sprinkle a little here there. All right. Make the garlic dance. All right, that looks good. Next step, we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese. All right, guys, this have 2 spoons, 2 tablespoons. All right, so you just pour there. See that? All right, that looks good. It's looking good. All right, that looks good. Okay, now the other side. Very good. Oh, smell good. Yeah. All right, guys. All right, that looks good. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the Italian season. Alright, let me do it this way. It's better. You just sprinkle it everywhere, alright? Look, see that? It's looking good, guys. Wow, alright. Very good. Look how beautiful, how the color comes together, right? Alright. Looks good, looks good. So, now guys, it's finished. Now I'm gonna put in the oven. Right? My oven is preheated already. 350. Wow, that looks beautiful, right guys? Very simple to do, alright? Very good. So you have to keep checking, alright? Until it's just ready. You know, the color comes together too. Alright? It's just crispy. Alright? So let me check my broccoli rabe, looking good, and my pasta. All right, look at that. All right, guys. Okay, guys, my pasta is almost ready. All right, almost ready, and my broccoli rabe is almost ready too. All right, so now it's time for me to put. It's almost ready, like in 2 minutes will be ready. All right, but now it's time for me to put the. It's 1 tablespoon of salt. Bingo. All right, this is chicken balls. All right, 2 of them. So you just sprinkle everywhere. All right, that's 1. That's 2. I love to cook with that, with this. Alright guys, give a good flavor to the food. Alright, so now I have here a half cup of Parmesan cheese, just to mix it a little bit. But yeah, okay. A half cup. Alright, that. Now I have here 1 tablespoon of red pepper, if you guys like red pepper. Alright, also I have jalapeno pepper, but I'm not gonna mix this. I put separate, you guys put separate. But if you guys want to mix, it's your choice. Alright, that's it. Okay, very good. Alright, so now, next, 2 cups of water. Okay, so you just, that's 1. And that's 2. Now I'm gonna mix. Alright, smell good guys. This is the broccoli rabe. It's cooking, it's almost ready. 2 minutes will be ready. Alright? Now after that I'm going to drain the water for the pasta is ready. I'm gonna drain that. All right. Yes, it's ready. All right, guys, look at this. Finished product. All right, finished product. All right, this is the bread garlic. All right, this is the broccoli rabe. All right. And this is the jalapeno. If you guys want jalapeno, want more spice, you guys can do that. Alright, so now let's try. Alright, let's try. Okay. Let's try guys. Looking good. Looking good. Alright. Let's try some broccoli. Right. Very good. And with some Parmesan cheese. You have to eat this with Parmesan. Put much you can, right? Tastes good, right? So, see that? All right, looks good. Put a lot. That's good. So, I like extra spice, so that's why I have my jalapeno. I don't like to put together, but a lot of people doesn't like spice. Alright, put it like this with my hand. Alright, and let's see how it tastes. Let you know. Looks good. Looks good. Tastes good, guys. Tastes unbelievable. Alright, this I call the real broccoli rabe. Alright? Now I'm gonna taste my garlic bread. Delicious, guys. It's crunch. It's delicious. All right. Let me put it here. Oh, this is delicious. Hey guys, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys. Listen. You guys have a good weekend. All right. Love you all.